You're watching the Sunbeam Alpine channel on YouTube. This channel is a free resource for all Sunbeam Alpine enthusiasts. I hope you're enjoying it. And the video showing today, originally we were going to demonstrate how to do the tracking on a Sunbeam Alpine. But when we checked the tracking on Alpi, it was just about bang on. So we weren't going to pretend to change it or alter it, and we didn't go through with that. But this video might be worth watching if you've never seen the original style Dunlop tracking gauges used before. It's quite interesting. I hope you enjoy it. It's only a short one. What are we going to do?
Right, walk this way. This is how to use Dunlop tracking gauges. These are the Dunlop gauges. One side has a mirror on them, in there, and the other one has your adjustment, or your measurement. Right, to start off, you put the two gauges together, like so. These parts touch against your rims, so you put them together just to check the gauge is zero and calibrated. You look through there and you line it up in the mirror with this. You go on the other side, Tim. You line the pointer up in the mirror. And as you move this, as you can see, it moves. And there's the gauge on here which tells you, if you look down onto this little gauge, that is set at zero. And as you read it, it'll tell you what your tracking is, as we'll find out in a minute. You want it zero, or maybe towing in just a little bit. Right, we put them against the rims of the car.
Remember, the tracking on the car is very important. It doesn't only affect the handling, it'll also affect the way that your tyres wear. If the tracking is out, you will see maybe the outside edge of the tyre wearing before the inside edge, or vice versa. Well worth checking. Lots of different garages and places on the high street can do this work if you don't want to do it yourself. And there's multiple videos on YouTube showing ways to rig up trackers with tape measures and bits of wood and all sorts of other things. But this video is doing it with the original Dunlop equipment.
So they're just touching. And then you look through the little hole at the top, and you can read it out, and yours is, I would say, bang on. It's towing in just a fraction. It's about 15 minutes towing in. Ideally you'd have it zero or there. So it's pretty close. I don't know if you can get your camera down there, and you can see what you see when you put your eye against it.
We'll try. Can't get it in focus.
Yeah.
I won't be able to. There it is. Yeah. Right, that's what you're seeing when you look down the eyepiece.
Yeah,
into the mirror.
there we go. If I move the gauge, as you look down there, you can see what you see. And you need to get it there in the middle, and that's what your reading will be.
Lovely job. Okay. So we're pretty happy that the tracking's okay.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
I hope that video was interesting for you, and I hope you'll watch other videos on the Sunbeam Alpine channel. Thank you for watching.